allows us to run JavaScript really quickly. The way that we do it is our program basically exists in 2 different steps. In the first step, we can actually boot up a JavaScript interpreter. We can load all your code from your billions of recursive node modules or whatever. We can load that all up, parse all that code. And then Wizer allows you to basically snapshot your program at a certain point and say, okay, once we get to this point, I'm just going to dump the entire state of the program out back to disk into a WebAssembly file. So now when we load it back up, we have a fully initialized application ready to go, like right at the point where the person wants to invoke their entry point into the function. This could work for any dynamic language. Like I'm thinking about doing a similar thing for Python, and maybe even having some kind of universal compiler where, you kind of put in your code and it does all the sort of work that it has to do to get everything up to that point, all the pre-initialization, dumps it back out to WASM. But it's just such a cool, interesting, magical tool. And it also kind of points to the power of WebAssembly. The only state is basically a linear piece of memory. It's really easy to basically say at any point, what is the state of your machine?